Okay, hey, this is Andrew from Kaleo Design. Um, so what I want to do is I want to sort of run you through how we set up documents here at Kaleo. Um, so if you look at, let me find your sample deliverables. So we'll open up your document and we will uh, look at it for an example. And then I'll show you one of our documents and the differences. Okay, so all this looks really good. It's a beautiful design. Um, there's fluidity here in the design, consistency, um, but there's an easier way to be consistent in this way and a quicker way. And I want to teach you sort of how to do that. So here you utilize a lot of the same assets, right? This guy, this guy, this guy, all the same asset, but not a symbol. Same here. Same design, same design, same design. This could basically be a symbol. These guys could be icons, which could also be a symbol. And then this could be a textile. And the reason why we at Kaleo Design do that is so that when we go back through these documents, we can change stuff very quickly. If I wanted to change this font here, I have to click down into it, come over here, change it. There's no textiles here. And so I'd have to change it and then change it on each one of these. Your layers are perfect. I mean, they're absolutely wonderful. Naming them and keeping them consistent is key. Most of your space is really good. I would probably move this guy up just a tad. Yeah, right there. Take that out. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you one of our projects and how we sort of set up a similar structure to this. Okay, open. Design. I'm going to show you our project template to begin with. So, just a second. Same thing in this list view. Same thing with this list view. Same thing with these inputs. These are things that we use throughout our applications, and we will typically make these symbols and make every icon an icon on a 24 by 24 pixel artboard. These guys as well. Probably, yep, there you go. Hey, you do have a symbol. There it is. Nice. All right, but these list views, instead of having them as just groups, if you sort of create them as a symbol, what I would typically do with these images is save them all out to a folder and then create this as a symbol so I can get it in the overrides panel over here. Same thing with these guys. So, but we'll go through that in more depth. I'm just sort of giving you a short overview. All this looks really good. Okay, so project template. This is one that we use basically when we're creating a new project, which I will also show you in the next video. Because I have a small project I'm going to create. So, but these are our layer styles. These are our layer styles. This is the text hierarchy. This is a style guide we passed off to one of our clients. This is where we keep all of our text styles, though. So not every text style needs to be translated to a style guide, mainly because Sketch sucks in one aspect, and you have to have a different text style for each text alignment, which is sort of annoying, but it works. We've made it work. So this would be a. I'm going to do the desktop because that's what this one is for, more so. All right, so this is. See, this is a symbol. This is our top nav bar for our website. We will always make these symbols. Any type of nav bar. This guy also symbol. We have list views here. we will always create list views as symbols. The reason why is because they're easy to edit, they're easy to maneuver. The one downfall would be if you wanted to change every single one of these text styles, it would be easier just to not have them as symbols, but everything else way easier to do as symbols. You can also reuse these on different pages, which is awesome. Keep things really consistent that way. This would be another symbol. This is another navbar as you're logged in. This is sort of an example one. Here's the input example. So we have a normal input. This one. So we have icon left here. We have text area. We have an active input, a search input, which we don't actually need this one. We have a normal input. This is sort of our symbol library. These are different buttons. And this isn't perfect, so please don't think that, oh, every project should always have this. No. This is a basis for us. We work off of it. So, these tabs, well, we don't always use that. These cards as well, symbols. Like we do a lot of, especially in our enterprise software products, we have a lot of modal or pop-up designs. So keeping everything consistent there is really key. So how we set these up for different projects, they vary for sure. But we typically have a title, subtitle, an icon either to get out or buttons down here to exit and complete actions. So. These are our layer styles as well. So if you go back to our style guide, so we have text styles. We have a style guide here, for these. This is usually what we hand off to clients, something like this. But in our own document, we sort of set it up like this. We have all of our main layer styles here. We have all of our main text styles here. The reason we do this is so that if we want to edit the font or edit, like if we want to edit the typography for this entire project, we just select, we can change the fonts here to whatever we want, update them, and the entire application updates. Same thing with colors. As we apply layer styles to elements within our designs, we're able to update everything perfectly. Cuts down on a lot of time on iteration and finding different elements in products, or elements in the screens. So, okay, this is a somewhat concise summary, but next I will create a product from this template. So.